Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your shipping with USPS step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary shipping materials. Select the appropriate box or envelope for your items. Make sure your packaging is sturdy and protective. Use bubble wrap or packing peanuts for fragile items. Properly seal the package using strong packing tape. Weigh the package to determine the correct postage. Use a digital scale for accuracy. Visit the USPS website to calculate shipping costs. Choose the shipping service that best fits your needs. Consider options like priority mail or first-class mail. Create an account on the USPS website if you don't have one. Log in and navigate to the shipping section. Select Click and Ship to start shipping online. Enter the recipient's address accurately. Double-check for any typos or errors. Input your package details and wait. Choose any extra services like insurance or delivery confirmation. Review the final cost before proceeding. Purchase your postage and print the shipping label. Attach the label securely to the package. Make sure the barcode is clearly visible. Take your package to the nearest USPS location. You can also schedule a pickup for added convenience. Track your shipment using the tracking number provided. Regularly check the status until it reaches its destination. Follow any additional guidelines from USPS for secure shipping. Be aware of any prohibited items that cannot be shipped. Stay informed about USPS holiday schedules and service disruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.